Hello and welcome to Peak Content Summit 2020. Our live event was an amazing success, and now you can watch all 10 speaker sessions right here on demand. So what is Peak Content Summit? It is the premier content marketing strategy conference with a world-class roster of speakers who are the best and brightest brand marketers, agencies, media, SEO experts, Google Analytics authorities, and content creators. And it's equal parts inspirational and tactical, and that's important. I didn't want a conference that was just a bunch of rah and get everybody super excited and then sent you home full of ideas, but no idea what to do with those ideas. You'll get plenty of great ideas from this, but more importantly, you'll go home with the tips and tactics you need to put all of that into action. In this course, you'll get streaming access to all 10 sessions where you'll learn how to create unlimited content ideas, create the right type of content for every stage in your business's growth, maximize SEO by focusing on search intent, create amazing headlines and videos and every other type of content, and know when, where, and how to place that content to maximize its impact. Seriously, as I rewatched every session to edit these films, I was blown away by the quantity and quality of knowledge shared by our amazing speakers. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear what some of the attendees had to say.
I really appreciated the tangible, actionable items we came away with. I have about 15 to 20 pages of notes, a lot of really practical advice, which I liked, as well as some big picture ideas to get us thinking.
Before I moved down here into the PR space, I was doing digital marketing where I lived prior, and so it's interesting to see how you can translate what we learned about content marketing today for PR and being able to specifically talk to our brands about things that they might be missing. We find that being a PR agency, we get to collaborate on a lot of things with our clients that we feel like we're part of their teams, and so this is just an extension of what we're able to offer them as a firm on our end.
I think, to be honest, it was the absolute breadth of the content. It's really opened my eyes as to how much there is not just to think about, but to take advantage of. So for a subject that we all know that we should be spending time thinking about, it's just really helpful to get some structure and some guidance on how best to take it forward.
It's great because it's time to think, and having people pose questions to you that they're not intentionally, they're bringing up subjects that are really important to how we need to think about every day, how we're serving customers, how we're communicating with them, and that ability to have the time to think and listen to people who really know what they do well challenges us to keep developing and get better at it.
Working within a small company, you kind of have to wear a lot of hats, and with that it comes natural research on your own. So being able to be in an environment where experts are talking to you and on something that is very pertinent to your own experience, but you've never been formally taught or talked through, have an ability to ask an expert, is just an extremely valuable opportunity to have.
Key takeaway was kind of the mix of the trends of 2020 are being brought out on a high level from all these different voices, combined with some really tactical kind of nuts and bolts and behind the scenes from both publishers, brand managers, people in advertising, and a really diverse crowd.
I felt like the speakers, the content, the format was all amazing. The things that I learned from all the speakers that were there will help my brands that I work with, as well as my business, how we work with content and also how we push more content that's more relevant out for our viewers.
If you're looking to take your content marketing game to the next level, Peak Content Summit is a masterclass in developing an effective, results-driven content marketing strategy for your brand, your business, your clients, maybe even just your own personal brand. Join today and get 12 months of access to every video, plus the same free swag we gave every attendee. And you'll get downloadable worksheets and more bonus content from many of our speakers. Thanks, and I look forward to having you join us.